Restoring the balance, a guide to understanding and using the phrase. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that we often hear in conversations and read in various contexts. Restore the balance. This phrase is packed with meaning and can be used in many different situations. Our goal is to unpack its significance, show you how to use it correctly, and help you understand its nuances. Let's get started on our journey to mastering this intriguing expression. Restore the balance refers to the act of bringing things back to a state of equilibrium or harmony after a period of imbalance or chaos. This phrase can be applied in a wide range of contexts, from personal relationships and emotional states to environmental issues and global politics. The key idea here is the return to a state of fairness, stability, or proper proportion. To grasp the versatility of restore the balance, let's explore its use in various scenarios. In personal life, in personal relationships or self-care, restoring the balance might mean taking time for yourself after a period of focusing too much on others, or seeking to rebalance work and leisure to avoid burnout. It's about finding a healthy equilibrium that promotes well-being. In nature and environment, when talking about the environment, restoring the balance often refers to efforts to counteract climate change, protect endangered species, or clean up pollution. It embodies actions taken to return nature to its original, balanced state. In business and economics, in the business world, this phrase could mean adjusting policies or practices to ensure fair competition, or in economics, it might refer to measures taken to stabilize the economy after a recession or a period of inflation. Now that we understand its meaning and contexts, let's see how to integrate restore the balance into our speech or writing. After realizing how much plastic waste we produce, our community started a recycling program to restore the balance in our local environment. Taking up meditation helped me restore the balance between my work life and personal life. The government introduced new regulations to restore the balance in the housing market. Understanding and using the phrase, restore the balance, can significantly enrich your English communication, allowing you to express complex ideas about equilibrium, fairness, and correction of imbalances in a concise and powerful way. We hope this video has been enlightening and will help you confidently use this phrase in your conversations and writings. Thank you for watching, and remember, learning English is a journey of restoring the balance between curiosity and knowledge. See you in our next video.